And guys, I'm not adding too much water because I don't want a watery coconut milk. I'm using little as possible so I could get most of the cream. I don't want to water down coconut milk. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start the blending. Let's check it, guys. Alright, not too much water, guys. To stretch it, no stretching. Alright guys, so that is it. Alright guys, that's my blended coconut, so I'm gonna go ahead and have it strained. So guys, you're gonna see it when I have it strained.
You don't like the video yet?
Alright, that's my coconut milk. I already have it strained. So guys, I'm gonna get it going with my chicken back. Alright guys, there goes my chicken back. I did go ahead and have it clean, cut up. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my seasoning, which I'm gonna use my salt. I'm using a tablespoon. As you see, I'm using precise judgment, guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my Maggi, a teaspoon. Then guys, I have my black pepper. Cause you know this is a chicken back, guys. I have the sazon caliente. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of this one. And guys, remember, be careful of the highly seasoned meat, high blood pressure. I'm gonna use my chicken season. Alright guys, so stay tuned while I have it all rubbed in. Guys, I did go ahead start having my chicken back seasoned. And then after this, guys, I'm gonna let it marinate for a good 20 minutes. Because remember, we're dealing with a lot of bones. And tonight is an easy Tuesday, budget-friendly meal. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Guys, I already have my pot on the fire. So now I'm just adding my oil to have those chicken back fried up. Alright guys, so stay tuned while we have the oil heated. I'm adding my garlic, guys. As you know, this is the time I always add my garlic. So I'm gonna let it fry out a little bit, then I'll start adding my chicken back to the frying pot. Guys, as you can see, them garlics are golden brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my chicken back to fry. Guys, you have a lot of them that say they don't like chicken back. You ever see a chicken without the back? Alright guys, I'm gonna let those fry up. So stay tuned guys and watch the progress. Yes guys, I'm having them turn around now. Just want to show you guys the progress of how to have it done. So remember guys, like, share, subscribe and comment guys. What you all use for your one pot meal? Which one is your favorite one pot meal guys? Just like in the olden days. One down. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna have this set removed. As you can see, I got them where I need them. And then I'm gonna get the next set in guys. So stay tuned. Getting in my last set of chicken back. Alright guys, so stay tuned.
You don't like the video yet?
Alright guys, I'm removing the last set. The last set of chicken back. Alright, they're looking good. Alright, stay tuned guys. And I'll see you when I'm adding the natural season. Alright guys, I'm adding in my natural season. I did go ahead and cut it up guys. So I'm going to have it covered for 2 minutes. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, as you see my natural season is being cooked to perfection. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of the jerk sauce, the mild one. Go ahead and have it all mixed around guys, because we're making the coconut chicken back one pot meal guys, with rice. One pot epic. Guys, I'm gonna add my coconut milk. That's how you want it to look guys. So you just mix it around and then let it simmer for like 5 minutes, guys. Alright guys, as you can see the progress of the coconut milk and the natural season being boiled out. So at this time I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixed vegetable, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my rice washed, guys, and have it placed in it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I already have my rice washed. And guys, please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment, guys. Click that notification bell, so each time I do a video, guys, you guys could get the notification. Alright guys, stay tuned while I have it mixed. Alright guys, that's the level. I'm using 2-pound rice, so that's the level you want it at, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and have my chicken back.
You don't like the video yet?
Placing it also, as you can see, guys, and then you just want to make that stir. Oh, that is looking great, guys. And this is the time you want to go ahead and have your stove turned down to medium, because you want it to slow cook so it could be perfect. Alright guys, so stay tuned, guys. I'll see you when we're about to have it plated. Alright guys, as you see, we have the perfect completion of this dish, and it was being suggested by Miriam Montague Scott. I want to give a shout out to Miriam Montague Scott for this epic meal. 1-pot coconut chicken back rice, guys. So you know, and guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start having it plated so we could do that taste test. As you see, guys, the rice is not soft, it's shelly. Not shelly as in the female, but it is shelly. Getting it plated, guys. Guys, you could use chicken, any meat preferred, guys, of your choice. You could do it, but just follow the same step. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead with the taste test. First I want to do the rice, because this is one lovely rice, guys. See, tastes like butter. Right now I'm doing the chicken back, guys. We all know how it works. We're doing the chicken back, guys. We're gonna do a sample with the rice and some of the carrots. See, guys? Alright guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna enjoy my meal, and peace out. The time I want to then on the teeth clean, I have to make sure so the teeth clean and the tongue clean and the mouth clean. Alright.